Get ready for an unforgettable experience. The thunderous roar of engines, the sharp crack of timber, and the breathtaking sight of massive trees crashing down in seconds. This video takes logging to a whole new level. Don't miss it.
Taming tall timber isn't just cutting, it's calculating. One wrong angle, and that perfect fall becomes a perfect disaster. Where most see danger, he sees the job, balanced on a suspended giant. One cut away from glory or gravity. Forget diesel. This log splitter runs on hay, attitude, and one very motivated horse. Call it 1 horsepower, 0 emissions, 100% frontier genius. This 36-inch oak stump took a 40.000 pounds dozer and steel wedge to split. No chainsaw, just raw force and a winch that means business. Petzolato drum chipper eating whole logs for breakfast. 700 HP turns hardwood into flying mulch, forest to fuel in seconds. Husqvarna 390XP versus Stihl MS462CM, 92cc vs 72cc. Torque versus tech. Two-stroke Titans chewing logs like it's a competition, because it is. My old lady looked at the screw splitter and said, "Is that a giant pencil sharpener?" I said, "Nope, just art class for firewood." Jen's chipper truck hybrid, part truck, part chipper, all beast, 800 HP on wheels turning log piles into biomass storms without leaving the cab. Michael Belanger and his Tiger Cat 822, dropping cold timber in colder silence. Precision steel dancing through snow like it's mid-July. Still Mississippi 661. C versus Husqvarna 390 XP. Head-to-head on a log big enough to sit a dinner table. 2 saws, 1 cut, and 0 room for weakness. Mercedes 2638 loaded like it's smuggling a forest. Logs stacked high, dust flying. When wood moves fast, someone's making big money. Tiger Cat 855E with a 570 head, grabbing, felling, and processing like the forest signed a surrender. Pure control in every swing. Track loader feeding an international hauler, clean logs. Clean swings. No wasted motion. This is how timber moves when the crew means business. This 35.000 pounds HMT excavator just ripped out a 1.200 pounds root ball like it owed it money. 24-inch oak stump. 6 feet deep, gone in one swing. Cambio 800 with CIM 750 feed roll strips 12-inch logs clean in seconds. 800 RPM. Dual pressure rollers, bark gone. Log ready, no excuses. When 6x4 meets mud trench. It's not just driving, it's survival. One wrong rut, and 20 tons of steel starts praying for traction. This is what mountain work looks like, 30 tons of timber on board. Still towing a stuck buddy. Out here, muscle helps, but loyalty hauls harder. Keith Snyder on the sticks, splitting logs with an excavator like it's child's play. No splitter, no problem, just brute steel and bucket control. £40.000 of logs, one steep slope, and a strap that said, "I'm out." Gravity wins again. Logging 101. Don't let your load lead you. It's not off-roading, it's just surviving a muddy road with potholes deep enough to swallow lunch. Suspension cries. Driver holds the line. One push, 8 perfect splits. This wedge doesn't ask questions. It just turns 200 pounds of hardwood into firewood faster than you can blink. Volvo FM 440 pulling a 9-axle log hauler. Over 120.000 pounds of jungle timber rolling on dirt. Torque, traction, and nerves of steel.